Hello, everybody. Brian here, quantlabsnet.com. Today's St. Patty's Day. Happy Drink Fest, all that. I've talked about the option chain data, how expensive it is, how it's can change everything in your analysis. So I've come up with a Python script. Unfortunately for all, I will not be releasing, but I just want to show you the output. And this is a typical simulation you can run of a particular strike price in a particular range, and then calculate all of the, remember, this is all in theory, the necessary Greek analysis. I'll be doing another video on this. I just want to show you this visually that you can do in Python. Pho, theta, vega, gamma, delta, and then the price. And then that would be your typical call and put on each side. And this would be a representative of a typical option chain, and then same data on the other side for the put and the call, as I said. So this is good for now to simulate. And people are going to ask, how is this done? Well, it's hard to be able to sit here and give you specifics. I've gone through many, many vendors, including the likes of thinking you might get discounted market data subscription options using something like OpenBB, or maybe the other QuantConnect. No such luck. I don't think they have the futures option. This would be a futures option as well, or can be. And they don't have any subscription options for that. Probably equity options, yes, but no, well, we already can do that in Interactive Brokers on stocks, on options. But here it's futures on options, as I said, and this is closely guarded data from the exchanges like the CME and ICE. So the place to go to look, as I'm going to drop hints here, is TradingView. Late last year, it sounds like they've put effort into add in options tab, and there is some very good payoff diagrams you can see. They don't show you the break even like with what mine can do, and there's that. There's also different strategies. Apparently, when you look at the software features on TradingView, it's sponsored by TradeStation. In there, you'll find different strategies as well that you can use. And those strategies are probably from TradeStation. So I know TradeStation, probably the most advanced platform out there with the broker for TradeStation as well. Before that, where I'm currently at in Canada, I can't do that, but UK, it's going to be a different story when I get over there. So just wanted to let you know. Now, when it comes to the terms of service, there's no way I'm going to be republishing any of that information. TradingView is very strict on that, on their terms of service, how it's published. There's no programming features that I saw through PineScript available, but it's a lot more accessible than what TWS gives you. But you can still use TWS for the interactive brokers as well for certain things. So between TradingView and interactive brokers is fine. I've already mentioned interactive brokers and how this would work with them and the TWS, the software trader workstation. But one hint I could also give you, if you want, when you look at the option chain data in the futures market, I believe a 10-minute data is free. If you want live market data, it's very cheap. I think it's like $7, $8, $9, and it's live. That's so cheap. You could probably do some interesting things with it, automate, but as far as I know, you can't do Pine scripting or use PineScript yet for it. And then the best thing right now is to stick with the simulation that I have here, or something like it. Like I said, this won't be coming out at all. But if you want, you can get onto my website, quantlabsnet.com, and just look for the Learn tab and get opted in. Find out more what I'll be doing with all that, and I'll put the link in the description of this video on YouTube as well. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.